Keep running! It's right behind us! We have to make it! Alephium assemble!
Hello and welcome back to Alephium Assemble, episode number 10. I can't believe it, Carla. We've got to episode number 10 already. Don't we grow up fast? Now, first things first, before we dive into the episode, Carla, how's everything on your end? Are you okay?
Yes, hello Pepper, hello everyone. Really happy to be back for a new Alephium Assemble episode. I'm doing great, thanks. And you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm very happy to be back in the swing of things, to see things moving and happening, all shaking and going. Now, what will we be talking about in today's episode? Well, the first point of call is the DAA upgrade. It's actually going live in 45 minutes for Carla and I, but for those of you watching, it happened a week ago. So, yes, it shouldn't have impacted you, but more on that later. We will be talking about CryptoXR, a pre-event discussion as Carla packs her suitcase to go. We will also be talking about the Squires, guards, and community leads to give you a bit of an update, try and bring you out of the dark a little bit. Like always, Carla will be giving her ecosystem update and letting you know what have our dApps been up to this week. We also have some alpha to share with you about our next X Space, who will it be with and when. So stick around to find out about that. We're going to finish off with me telling you a little bit about the future written content coming to Alephium from our ecosystem. So let's get underway. The DAA upgrade. Carla and I, living in the past, we're a week behind you guys. But yes, it's going live in about 40 minutes from now at the time of recording. We've contacted, and I say we, I mean Carla and Baby and other members of the team, have contacted pretty much every node, well, definitely every node, in numerous different ways. Carla, how many different ways have you had to try and contact nodes?
I can't remember. I think we already have sent something like more than 100 different message and a reminder of the reminder. We have contact exchanges, wallets, mining pool, Asia manufacturers, everyone. So like that, everyone who has a node can upgrade their node, and the network can continue in a great way.
Yes, and that whole issue with the mining difficulty will be fixed.
Yeah.
If you don't run a node, don't worry, this doesn't really affect you. You won't actually notice anything different. That's about it. So yes, congratulations to the devs for fixing this problem, all patched up. Now on to the next thing, CryptoXR. Carla, I'm very sorry, I can't join you this time in France. But tell me, what is CryptoXR? I know a little bit, but I want to know from an expert.
Okay, I'm going to tell you what is CryptoXR, but don't be afraid if you want to come in France after that. So first of all, CryptoXR is one of the biggest crypto events in France, really focused on retail users and people who are curious about crypto in general. It takes place in Auxerre, and this year is already the third or maybe the fourth edition, so it's very well established event. What I really like about CryptoXR is that it's not just for hardcore crypto people, you know. You have beginners, curious newcomers, you have investors, builders, and people who are just trying to understand what crypto is really about. So honestly, it's always a good vibe.
Well, I like good vibes. You personally, what are you hoping to get out of this event?
Yeah, so for us, the goal is pretty simple. So we will have a stand. So first of all, we really hope to meet members of our community, people who already know Alephium, people we talk to online, but we haven't met in real life yet. But also we want to meet new people who don't know Alephium at all, people who might be interested in the project, future users, maybe future token holders, and also also builders, because there are a lot of technical profile at CryptoXR, because the ticket is really cheap, so everyone can afford it. So it's really about like our participation. I will say it's really about exposure, education, and relevant connections.
Awesome. Well, it does sound like fun. I saw, actually, I posted it on Twitter, but I saw through the channels that Maud will be doing a panel. She'll be moderating a panel, but I didn't quite understand what it's about. It wasn't in English, so I'm guessing this panel is going to be in French. Could you tell us a bit about what that's about?
Yeah, so yes, Mod will be moderating a panel focused on payments, especially around Bitcoin, Lightning, and real world usage. So it's a very concrete topic, very close to adoption. So I think it fits perfectly with the CryptoXR audience. And also on my side, I will also be moderating a panel about trading. Basically, does trading still make sense today, and how automation and AI are changing the way people trade crypto. And actually, also last minute news, I learned this just yesterday. I will also be participating in a live show on stage on Friday evening with some old school crypto people. I don't know exactly what to expect yet. I think it will be like a game, but let's just say I really hope I will win. In any case, I will take pictures for you, Pepper, because I know you can't come, and also for you that you listening at Alephium Assemble, and I will tell you how it went, and I will show you everything in the next Alephium Assemble episode.
Yes, I will be experiencing extreme FOMO while you're there. That was great, Alpha. I didn't know you were doing a talk. Good luck for that too. And yeah, I hope you win. Lots of photos, videos, and then I can kind of edit them into the next episode. So try
Yes,
and
sure.
bring you Alephium Assembly viewers along with Carla. I'm also heading to a conference next week. I'm going to Block Mountain in Chiang Mai, in Thailand. So if anybody's going, I think it's unlikely. It's a very small event, but if you're going to be there and you'd like to meet me, yeah, drop me a message. I'd be happy to meet you there. It would be literally about now. If you're watching this video after we've published it on Wednesday, 21st of January, I should be there, or maybe tomorrow. Anyway, that's enough of events. The start of event season is very early this year. Now, on to people, squires, guards, and community in particular. Unfortunately, I'm going to start with the bad news. Let's get it out of there. First, the bad news is, unfortunately, Radko is no longer with Alephium. I really liked working with him. He knows that. He's a top guy. We had some wonderful chats over the last few months, and he worked incredibly hard to keep the ambassador program going and helping Alephium. He is a very smart guy, and he'll be very successful in whatever he does next. And I hope his next move is a really fantastic one. But that pretty much explains why the Squires and Guards ambassador programs are currently paused. If you're in one of those groups, you already know that it's paused right now. But yeah, we have to figure things out. And yeah, I just wanted to address the elephant in the room. Change is not always easy, but we have to figure out a situation that works best for everyone. What will that situation be? We don't know yet. We're figuring it out. We're talking a lot. We're discussing. We've got the brains together, because we need it to work for us and for you. But so right now, all we can really ask is for a bit of patience while we do a little bit of redesigning, optimizing, and hopefully the new version will be even better. And yeah, pretty much that. No final decisions have been made at this stage. It's still just brainstorming. So don't panic, be patient. We're working on it. And on that note, Carla, could you tell me what has been happening in the ecosystem and what can get me bullish about all things Alephium?
Okay, let's go. So the last couple of weeks were a bit calmer because of the holiday, but we still have some really solid updates. So let's do a quick tour. First big one, Aura testnet V2 is officially live. The team basically rebuilt core parts of the product over the last 6 months to make it faster, cleaner, and way more friendly for people coming from outside the ecosystem. So on the trading side, they shipped a ton of performance and UX improvements and fully moved from an hybrid AMM to a CLOB, meaning tighter spreads and more serious trading conditions. Onboarding is also a big focus. Aura now supports passkeys, so users can trade without installing a wallet with built-in cross-chain bridging from Ethereum and BSC to Alephium. On mainnet, fees will even be paid in USDT, so users won't need off to get started. So yeah, huge milestone, and it's a great way to see Aura shipping again. Also, Aura dropped something fun and super accessible. They launched Learn and Earn quiz directly on X, on Twitter. So you do a short quiz to understand how community-owned prediction markets work, and you can earn a bit of Aura for completing it. So it's limited spots, obviously, but it's nice onboarding mechanic. So if you want, I will let you try this. Next, Linx. They announced that the audit is completed and that lending and borrow is coming to the Linx app. So not a maybe one day things. It's really moving forward, and they want to launch it properly with the right structure. If you have been waiting for more DeFi primitive on Alephium, this is the one to watch. Quick update on Alephium as well. They shared some numbers about their strategy and performance, basically tracking what they are earning through their LP position and how that compounds over the time. And they also posted a reminder about incentives on the X token and Alpha token pool with bribes and very high VRPR numbers for the current epoch. So as always with Alephium, they keep shipping, they keep optimizing incentive, and the DeFi meta keeps evolving. That's why we want on our Alephium ecosystem. And the last one I will mention, it's No Trust Verify. They published their December activity report, making it the end of 2025 and their transition into 2026. They continued their work around Aave governance with the tools like Aave Monitor and the Delegation Hub, while also strengthening their presence in the Ethereum ecosystem. But the report also includes the mostly Alephium networked metric, things like half price evaluation, on-chain activity, hash rate, and progress on the proof of less work. And starting in 2026, they are moving from a monthly format to a quarterly editorial report. So I can't wait to read this report in the next few months. Stepping back for a second, it's not an ecosystem news, but I wanted to say the way we see the ecosystem right now is pretty clear. So I just want to share this with our listener. So this quarter, our priority is fundamentals. That means we want to spotlight our core ecosystem projects, the ones building and shipping. We want being closer to our real users, the active people, not the noise, and making the ecosystem easier to understand and navigate. We don't need, a million random actions. We need strong app, happy user, and a tight feedbacks loop with founders, and that's why we're optimizing for the next X space. So maybe if you want to talk about that paper, you can.
Amazing. That's quite a lot of stuff happening at the start of 2026. So let's keep the momentum to all the dApps and devs and builders out there. Let's keep it going. Let's make Alephium super famous and just mega successful. That's what we all want to see. Yes, X-Space. Now, I mentioned at the start that we have confirmed our next guest and the date. So, drum roll, please. We will be joined by Hayden from Aura Markets on January 27th. Haven't confirmed a time yet. We are, gonna bash out the details together. But I'm really delighted. Hayden, he's really nice guy, very cooperative. We worked on these content articles together. So if you go to alephium.org/news, you can read 2 articles he wrote, which I think really, really well. Or just really good at setting out the whole issue and solution that Aura Markets is here for. So I want to pick his brain. I have some questions, and I want to know what kind of role prediction markets are going to play. And actually, last night I was on an X Space with CXR and a bunch of other great projects. This kind of question came up about where will new crypto and Web3 users come from in 2026? Like, what will be their route into this space? And I answered that I think it's going to be about entertainment and fun and good utility for their coins, because when the markets move sideways, as they have done the last few months, people move into stable coins because it's safer. A lot of people are sitting on stable coins and don't know what to do with them. Prediction markets is a bit of fun that they can go have a look at. I think it's going to do quite well, and the fact that Aura Markets is decentralized and takes a different approach to resolution makes it a very unique prospect. So yeah, you should be excited. It's going to be a really good episode. Or just the ambition to go and build a decentralized prediction market is bold. And for those who have done the testnet already, you'll know that it's a fantastic platform. I play it a little bit every day, and I quite enjoy it. So 27th of January, Hayden from Aura Markets. And on to the final point. We do have some more articles coming soon. So up until now, it's kind of been reserved for Alephium news and the core team's thought leadership articles. Now, the core team all very busy, so I don't want to annoy them all the time by chasing them for articles, which I do. What I want to do is get the devs and dApp builders from our ecosystem who have already built meaningful products to talk about it and to build thought leadership for themselves. So I'm really excited that I've already got these discussions and creative processes underway. It's part of what I do and have done for many years to help people, write creatively and get their ideas out there. So let's support them when they do that. When these articles go live, it's your opportunity to get a window into how these builders view their own platforms and what it means to them. So I'm really excited for that. Keep an eye out. Hopefully there will be some article very soon. I can't really reveal who yet because it's early days, but there's quite a few in the works. And that's about it on that. And actually, that's all I had planned for this episode. Carla, you have anything else you want us to talk about?
No, I think we have talked about everything is important. So thank you so much for listening this episode. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to follow. Thank you, Pepper. You're an amazing host as usual. So it's really cool to have this 10 episode with you, and I can't wait the future one.
Yeah, 10 episodes. Good job, Carla. I couldn't do it without you. Thank you so much for being a wonderful co-host. And to the Alephium Assemble viewers, we couldn't do it without you. We need your eyeballs to make this work. So thank you for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the episode, and we'll see you again in 2 weeks. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Keep running! It's right behind us! We have to make it! Alephium assemble!